how to cook a rice and how to cook a bulgur. So this is a bulgur quinoa, guys. So how to cook? The ratio is 1:1 and this one is 1:2. It means when you cook a rice, you will use, for example, this one. You have to use 1 cup and 1 cup of water. But if you're cooking this bulgur, 1 cup of this is 2 cups of water. So 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water, and this one is 1 cup and 2 cups of water. So that's the big difference. Now if you don't know how to cook rice in Asian ways, because here in France, guys, we are not cooking this way. We usually boil water first, then we will put the rice, then after we will strain it and keep it warm. If not, you will reheat it using the microwave. So this time, this is Asian way of cooking the rice. So this is using this cup. So we will prepare 1 cup of water, but you need to wash the rice. So wash 2 times or 3 times to remove the impurities and also but you can save this one for watering the plant, guys. So I will keep it for my plant. So there were 2 happy plants. So we will add the water. Okay, then into the fire. So that's how we cook our rice. So we will see. Where is the cover? You might wonder why, guys. There is a little button, but I think that's a flower. You might wonder why I put this one. This is to cover my kitchen. There's a flower now. Tiny flower. is a ratatouille. This is what we call ratatouille. Paired with the rice. Oh. I overflow it, guys. Forms like a heart. Atong ampo. Wala na dito. Maybe puti kuyat just ramas puti. Bilang ramas itu kuyat puti kuyat. Wala na dito.
Moi j'ai pas d'ailleurs, j'ai appris à arriver à choisir.
So can you see the result, guys? So you will just let it cook slowly so that it will really cook. So you see, so cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes. So the remaining water is just enough to cook the rice. Okay, so that's it, guys. Bye for now.